S/4HANA Materials Management Online Training. Learn and improve your skill and knowledge from experts with Proexcellency. S/4HANA Online Training by Proexcellency. SAP S/4HANA for Beginners, an Introduction. Overview of SAP S/4HANA Module. SAP S/4HANA Materials Management is a central module that manages procurement, inventory, and other materials-related processes in an organization. Importance of materials management in businesses. Effective materials management ensures timely availability of materials, cost control, and streamlined procurement processes. Benefits of S/4HANA implementation. Implementing S/4HANA offers improved inventory control, vendor management, cost savings, and enhanced supply chain visibility. Key concepts in SAP S/4HANA 1. Material Master Data. Material Master Data is at the heart of It contains information about materials used in an organization, including attributes like description, type, unit of measure, and more. 2. Procurement Processes. Facilitates the entire procurement life cycle, from creating purchase requisitions to processing purchase orders, receiving goods, and verifying invoices. 3. Inventory Management. Oversees inventory control, ensuring accurate stock levels, proper storage, and efficient movement of materials within an organization. 4. Vendor Management. Managing relationships with suppliers is a key aspect of enabling efficient collaboration for timely procurement. 5. Material Valuation. Valuation methods determine how materials are priced in inventory, affecting financial reporting and cost calculations. 6. Material Requirements Planning. MRP is used to forecast demand, plan procurement, and maintain optimal inventory levels. 7. Goods Receipt and Goods Issue. Goods Receipt confirms the receipt of materials, while Goods Issue records material withdrawals. 8. Invoice Verification. Ensures accurate invoice verification by matching invoices with purchase orders and goods receipts. 9. Reporting and Analytics. Provides tools for generating reports and insights into procurement, inventory, and material-related activities. How S/4HANA works. 1. Material Creation. Materials are defined and classified based on attributes like type, category, and characteristics. 2. Procurement Process. When materials are needed, users create purchase requisitions, which can be converted into purchase orders. Suppliers receive purchase orders and deliver goods. 3. Goods Receipt. Upon receiving goods, organizations perform goods receipt to update inventory records. 4. Invoice Verification. Invoices are matched against purchase orders and goods receipts for accurate payment processing. 5. Inventory Management. Tracks stock levels, manages stock movements, and supports processes like stock transfers and cycle counting. 6. Reporting and Analytics. SAP S/4HANA offers pre-built reports and dashboards to monitor procurement activities, inventory levels, and more. Advantages of S/4HANA 1. Streamlined procurement. Efficient procurement processes ensure timely availability of materials for business operations. 2. Optimized inventory. Proper inventory management prevents overstocking and stockouts, reducing carrying costs. 3. Vendor Collaboration. Facilitates effective collaboration with suppliers, enhancing the procurement process. 4. Accurate financials. Proper valuation methods ensure accurate financial reporting and cost calculations. 5. Real-time insights. Reporting tools provide real-time insights into procurement and inventory data. Key features and functionality of S/4HANA. Material Master Data Management. The module facilitates centralized management of material master data, which includes information about materials, suppliers, and sources of supply. Procurement processes. S/4HANA covers end-to-end procurement processes, from creating purchase requisitions to processing invoices and verifying payments. Inventory management and stock movement. It handles inventory tracking, stock transfers, goods receipt, and goods issue, ensuring accurate stock levels. Vendor management and supplier collaboration. The module assists in managing vendor information, evaluations, and collaborations for effective procurement. Navigating the S/4HANA user interface. Introduction to S/4HANA Fiori Launchpad. Fiori Launchpad provides an intuitive user interface for accessing transactions, reports, and applications. Accessing transactions and reports. Users can access various transactions and reports based on their roles and permissions. Personalizing user interfaces for efficiency. Fiori allows users to customize their interface with frequently used transactions for improved productivity. User roles and authorizations in S/4HANA. Configuring user roles and profiles. System administrators can define user roles and profiles to control access to transactions and data. Role-based access to processes. Users are granted access to specific processes based on their assigned roles, ensuring data security. Authorization concepts in module. Authorization objects and roles are used to control the level of access users have to functions and data. Material Master Data Management. Creating and maintaining material master records. Users can create and update material master records, including attributes like description, type, and classification. Material types and attributes. Different material types are defined to categorize materials, each with specific attributes and usage criteria. Data governance and data quality best practices. Ensuring data accuracy and consistency through data governance and validation checks. Procurement process overview. Purchase requisition creation and approval. Users create purchase requisitions for required materials, which undergo approval processes. Request for quotation, RFQ, process. When sourcing materials, users can request quotes from suppliers to compare offerings. Purchase order creation and management. Approved purchase requisitions are converted into purchase orders, which are then managed through the procurement life cycle. Source determination and supplier selection. Source determination strategies. Users can determine sources of supply based on strategies such as MRP-based procurement, manual assignment, and more. Evaluating and selecting suppliers. Supplier evaluation involves assessing factors like delivery performance, quality, and reliability. Supplier master data management. Maintaining accurate supplier master data for effective collaboration and procurement. Purchase order processing. Goods receipt and goods issue. Goods receipt confirms the receipt of materials into inventory, while goods issue records material withdrawals. Invoice verification and payment processing. Invoice verification matches invoices with purchase orders and goods receipts for accurate payments. Handling purchase order changes and variations. Addressing changes in purchase orders and ensuring accurate recording of modifications. Inventory management and stock movement in S/4HANA. Goods receipt and putaway. Goods receipt involves receiving materials and putting them into appropriate storage locations. Goods issue and stock transfer. Goods issue records material withdrawals for consumption, sales, or transfer to other locations. Stock reconciliation and cycle counting. Inventory accuracy is maintained through periodic stock counts and reconciliations. Material valuation and price determination. Valuation class and price control. Valuation classes define how materials are valued, and price control determines how prices are updated. Moving average price and standard price. Materials can be evaluated using moving average price or standard price methods. Valuation methods and impact on financials. Valuation methods affect financial statements and cost calculations. Vendor evaluation and performance monitoring. Vendor master data management. Accurate vendor master data is essential for effective procurement and evaluation. Evaluating vendor performance. Vendor evaluation involves assessing factors like on-time delivery, quality, and service. Supplier scorecards and continuous improvement, tracking supplier performance and fostering collaboration for ongoing improvement. Material requirements planning, MRP. Introduction to material requirements planning. MRP calculates material requirements based on demand, supply, and planning parameters. MRP parameters and planning run execution. Users configure MRP parameters and execute planning runs to ensure materials availability. Managing demand and supply in MRP. Balancing demand and supply to optimize inventory and meet production requirements. Integration with other SAP modules. Integration of with FE, SD, and PP modules. Module integrates seamlessly with financial accounting, FE, sales and distribution, SD, and production planning, PP modules. End-to-end business process integration. Data consistency and streamlined processes are achieved through module integration. Ensuring data consistency across modules. Integrated processes ensure that data updates are consistent across modules. Document flow and traceability. Document flow visualization. Document flow displays the sequence of documents and transactions related to a process. Tracking changes and document history. Document history provides an audit trail of changes and updates made to transactions. Ensuring audit trails and compliance. Document traceability supports compliance requirements and auditing. Reporting and analytics in S/4HANA. Standard reports and analytics tools. Users can generate standard reports for procurement, inventory, and material-related insights. Customizing reports and dashboards. Custom reports and dashboards can be created to visualize key performance indicators, KPIs. Real-time data insights for decision-making. Analytics provide real-time insights for informed decision-making. Batch management and serial number tracking. Implementing batch management. Batch management ensures traceability and quality control of materials produced in batches. Tracking serialized items and materials. Serialized materials are tracked individually for better visibility and compliance. Compliance with regulatory requirements. Batch and serial tracking support regulatory compliance, especially in industries like pharmaceuticals. Material ledger and actual costing. Introduction to material ledger. The material ledger records material movements and valuations for accurate cost calculations. Actual costing and cost component split. Actual costing involves calculating material costs based on actual activities and resource usage. Impact on inventory valuation and reporting. Actual costing affects inventory valuations and financial reporting accuracy. Document splitting and integration with financials. Configuring document splitting in Document splitting separates accounting documents for different dimensions, example, profit centers. Integration of transactions with financial accounting. Transactions impact financial accounts and statements. Consistency between and financials data. Ensuring consistent data between and financial modules for accurate reporting. Procurement of services and external services management. Procurement process for services. S/4HANA handles procurement of services, including service purchase requisitions and orders. Managing service purchase orders and service entry sheets. Service entry sheets confirm the receipt and quality of services provided. Invoice verification for services. Invoices for services are verified against service entry sheets and purchase orders. Vendor collaboration and supplier portal. Enabling supplier collaboration through portals. Supplier portals facilitate communication and collaboration between buyers and suppliers. Supplier self-service capabilities. Suppliers can access the portal for order acknowledgements, invoices, and collaboration. Streamlining communication and order processing. Supplier portals streamline communication and accelerate order processing. Lean warehouse management. Introduction to lean warehouse processes. Lean principles aim to reduce waste and optimize material flow within warehouse. Kanban, Tubin systems, and supermarket processes. Techniques like Kanban and Tubin systems enhance material replenishment efficiency. Optimizing material flow and inventory management. Lean principles improve material flow and inventory management in warehouse. Advanced procurement processes and strategies. Consignment procurement and stock transport orders. Advanced procurement scenarios include consignment procurement and intercompany stock transfers. Subcontracting and third-party procurement. Procurement of materials and services from subcontractors and third parties. Implementing complex procurement scenarios. Addressing specialized procurement scenarios and their requirements. Integration with procure-to-pay, P2P, and order-to-cash, O2C. Seamless integration with P2P and O2C processes. module integrates with procurement-to-payment and order-to-cash processes. End-to-end supply chain visibility. Integrated processes provide holistic visibility across the supply chain. Streamlining business processes across modules. Process integration enhances efficiency and reduces manual interventions. Data migration and legacy system integration. Planning and executing data migration. Migrating data from legacy systems to S/4HANA requires careful planning and execution. Data mapping and cleansing. Mapping data fields and ensuring data accuracy during migration. Ensuring data accuracy in module. Accurate data migration ensures smooth transition and accurate processes. S/4HANA configuration basics. Basic configuration steps for module. Configuration involves setting up organizational elements, master data settings, and process-specific parameters. Customizing material types and groups. Customizing material types, groups, and views based on business requirements. Setting up purchase organizations and plants. Defining purchase organizations, plants, and their relationships for procurement and inventory management. Change management and process improvement in Implementing change requests and process improvements. Change management ensures efficient adoption of new processes and functionalities. Change impact analysis and testing. Assessing the impact of changes on existing processes and performing testing before implementation. Change management best practices. Following best practices for change management to minimize disruptions. Troubleshooting and support in S/4HANA. Identifying and resolving common issues. Addressing common challenges in processes and resolving technical issues. Engaging SAP support resources. Seeking assistance from SAP support resources for complex issues and troubleshooting. Proactive monitoring and maintenance. Regular monitoring and maintenance practices to ensure optimal system performance. Case studies and real-world implementations of S/4HANA. Real-world examples of successful S/4HANA implementations. Learning from actual case studies of organizations that have implemented S/4HANA. Challenges faced and solutions implemented. Understanding the challenges faced during implementations and the strategies used to overcome them. Lessons learned from practical scenarios. Extracting lessons and insights from real-world implementations for better project planning. Preparing for SAP S/4HANA certification. Overview of S/4HANA certification exams. Understanding the certification options available for S/4HANA professionals. Study resources and exam preparation tips. Identifying study materials, practice exams, and strategies for exam preparation. Enhancing career opportunities with certification. The benefits of earning an S/4HANA certification and how it can advance your career. Future trends in materials management. Emerging trends in materials management. Exploring the latest trends and innovations shaping the future of materials management. Innovations in technology and automation. How technologies like AI, IoT, and automation are transforming materials management processes. Adapting to evolving supply chain requirements. Strategies for adapting to changing supply chain dynamics and maintaining competitive advantage. Why choose S/4HANA? Choosing SAP S/4HANA Materials Management offers several compelling benefits for organizations looking to streamline their procurement and inventory management processes. Here are some reasons why you might consider choosing S/4HANA. Integrated solution. S/4HANA is tightly integrated within the SAP S/4HANA ERP suite, allowing seamless collaboration with other modules like finance, FE, sales and distribution, SD, and production planning, PP. This integration ensures data consistency, eliminates data silos, and enables end-to-end business processes. Real-time insights. S/4HANA's in-memory computing capabilities provide real-time data processing and analytics. This means you can make informed decisions based on up-to-the-minute information, improving operational efficiency and agility. Simplified user experience. S/4HANA leverages the SAP Fiori user interface, offering a modern, intuitive, and role-based experience. Users can access the system from various devices and locations, enhancing usability and productivity. Advanced analytics. S/4HANA incorporates advanced analytics tools that allow you to generate detailed reports, visualizations, and dashboards. These analytics empower you to gain deeper insights into procurement trends, inventory levels, and supplier performance. Efficient procurement processes. S/4HANA streamlines procurement processes, from purchase requisition to order creation, goods receipt, and invoice verification. Automation and workflow capabilities reduce manual interventions and accelerate procurement cycles. Optimized inventory management. With S/4HANA, you can effectively manage inventory levels, monitor stock movement, and track materials in real time. This leads to optimized stock levels, reduced carrying costs, and improved customer service. Enhanced supplier collaboration. S/4HANA enables seamless communication and collaboration with suppliers through features like supplier portals. This fosters strong relationships, quicker response times, and improved negotiation opportunities. Accurate financial reporting. The module offers accurate material valuation methods that align with financial standards. This ensures reliable financial reporting and compliance with regulatory requirements. Material requirements planning. MRP S/4HANA MRP functionality helps organizations forecast demand, plan procurement, and maintain optimal stock levels. This prevents stockouts, improves production planning, and minimizes excess inventory. Adaptation to industry changes. S/4HANA supports industry-specific processes and requirements. It allows you to adapt to changes in the supply chain, regulatory landscape, and market conditions. Future-proof technology. S/4HANA is built on a modern and future-proof architecture. It supports emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and the Internet of Things, IoT, enabling you to stay competitive in a digital world. Cloud capabilities. S/4HANA offers both on-premises and cloud deployment options, allowing you to choose the deployment model that best suits your organization's needs and strategy. Improved decision-making. The real-time data and insights provided by S/4HANA enable better decision-making, helping you respond quickly to market changes and customer demands. In essence, choosing S/4HANA empowers your organization with a comprehensive, integrated, and intelligent solution for managing procurement, inventory, and supplier interactions. It helps optimize processes, increase efficiency, enhance collaboration, and position your business for growth in a dynamic business landscape. Career opportunities and salary expectations in S/4HANA The salary for professionals skilled in SAP S/4HANA Materials Management can vary widely based on factors such as experience, location, industry, job role, and the specific demands of the organization. Here is an overview of what you can generally expect in terms of salary for S/4HANA professionals. 1. Experience level. Entry-level. Professionals with limited experience or fresh certifications can expect a starting salary that aligns with entry-level positions. Mid-level. With a few years of experience and practical knowledge, mid-level professionals can command higher salaries based on their expertise. Senior level. Professionals with substantial experience, advanced skills, and a proven track record in S/4HANA implementation and management can command top-tier salaries. 2. Job roles and responsibilities. SAP consultant. Consultants who specialize in SAP S/4HANA implementation, customization, and support often earn competitive salaries due to their critical role in optimizing procurement and inventory processes. SAP analyst. Analysts responsible for monitoring and improving materials management processes within an organization may also receive competitive compensation. Procurement manager. Professionals who blend procurement expertise with S/4HANA skills can command higher salaries, particularly in organizations where procurement is a strategic function. 3. Location. Geographical location. Salaries can significantly vary based on the cost of living and demand for S/4HANA professionals in different regions. Metropolitan areas with a high concentration of businesses may offer higher salaries. 4. Industry. Industry type. Certain industries, such as manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and consumer goods, rely heavily on effective materials management. Professionals working in these sectors might enjoy better compensation due to the critical role S/4HANA plays in their operations. 5. Company size. Large corporations, larger organizations often have complex procurement and inventory management needs, driving demand for skilled S/4HANA professionals and potentially leading to higher salaries. Small and medium enterprises, SMEs might offer competitive salaries to attract experienced professionals who can help optimize their materials management processes. 6. Certification and specializations. Certification. Holding an official SAP certification in S/4HANA can enhance your marketability and potentially lead to higher salary offers. Specializations. Specializing in specific areas within S/4HANA, such as procurement, inventory control, or supplier management, can lead to higher earning potential. 7. Demand and supply. High demand. As more businesses transition to SAP S/4HANA, the demand for skilled S/4HANA professionals is likely to increase, potentially driving up salaries. Supply of skilled professionals. The scarcity of skilled S/4HANA professionals with hands-on experience can contribute to competitive salary offers. Continuous learning. Professional development. Professionals who consistently update their skills with the latest trends, updates, and advancements in S/4HANA may receive higher compensation due to their ability to provide cutting-edge solutions. It's important to note that salary ranges can vary significantly based on individual circumstances and factors beyond technical skills alone. To get a precise understanding of the salary landscape for SAP S/4HANA professionals in your location and industry, it's recommended to research job listings, industry reports, and engage with professional networks and recruiters. Why choose Proexcellency for S/4HANA online training? There are many reasons why you might choose Proexcellency for S/4HANA online training. Here are a few of the most important. Expert instructors. Proexcellency's instructors are all experienced SAP professionals with extensive knowledge of S/4HANA. They are passionate about teaching and are committed to helping you learn the material and succeed in your career. Flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers a variety of learning options, including live online training, self-paced online training, and instructor-led classroom training. This allows you to choose the option that best suits your needs and schedule. Accredited training. Proexcellency's training is accredited by SAP, so you can be confident that you are learning the latest and most up-to-date material. Hands-on practice. Proexcellency's training includes extensive hands-on practice, so you can learn by doing. This will help you master the material and be prepared to apply it in your job. Support. Proexcellency offers ongoing support to its students, so you can get help whenever you need it. This includes access to the instructor, online forums, and other resources. Overall, Proexcellency is a great choice for S/4HANA online training. With its expert instructors, flexible learning options, accredited training, and hands-on practice, you can be sure to get the training you need to succeed in your career. Let's connect with us. +9 18722079509 08031508687 info@proexcellency.com www.proexcellency.com. Thanks for watching.